Hello, it's Wesley with Glenn here today and Expandacraft. We just installed an Outrigger kit on this Hobie. Now what kind of Hobie is this?
The Outback 2020.
An Outback 2020. And what he's doing is assembling it after we've done the installation. Now with the Hobie 2020, the Outback 2020, we used 4 flanges, 2 on either side here and in the back, the same thing. And the cross tube goes behind the seat and over to the runner rails. Those are the runner rails that he is putting on right now. The runner rails in this particular case are going to stay permanently attached to the risers. That's the black part right there. And then of course we have wing nuts going on here. This client chose to do stainless all the way around, which I think really for the Hobie, the stainless with the wing nuts is a better idea than the nylon bolts with the quick release pin. Anyway, you can tighten them down a little better, and I'll explain more about that another time. But we're going in real time to see how long it takes. Of course, he had these rails, he put these rails on also with wing nuts, and I guess that took just about a minute. Yeah. And
tighten them down.
We're at 1:38 right now, so we're about 2 minutes into the project and it's nearly complete. We do have decking that's going to go on here. We're going to show you that. The decking is standing up over there, and no, I would go ahead and bolt it down before you put the bow on.
I think we still gotta. I forgot to re-drill.
Okay.
Got to pull these out a little bit. Oh, never mind.
It went in. We might want to wallow those holes out a little bit and deburr them, which is part of the kit. When you put this together, remember, I can't drill the holes myself because every kayak is different, and I'd have to have schematics on every kayak in existence to make kits like that. So you get the raw material, but we show you how to put together. Pretty soon I'm going to make a video detailing every little bit about installation. Of course, there's a few of them out there, but it's showing you after the fact. A couple of tutorial style. Alright, we're only at less than 3 minutes, and this is how we put the bows on. You just kind of lift up the stern, or the whole side of the boat there, that outrigger. Kind of line it up and drop it down on there. Of course, we got keeper pegs that go on. He's going to do the same thing for the back. Now this is a loaner set of hulls. This is actually a set of hulls I've had beating up in my rental fleet for quite some time. I'm giving this loaner set because we're sold out. And he wants the desert the blue color for his kayak, but we are sold out, and so I'm giving him this loaner until the new shipment comes in. This COVID-19 thing has been great for outdoor businesses. Anything. That's it. That's done. Let's throw those deckings down on there. Show them where you put. You're going to put the one with the. Now we have an incomplete motor mount because, well, I don't know exactly what his motor is going to require, but we put the motor mount here, and he's going to finish the motor mount with a cross piece in there. And other than the straps, which we won't bother showing on the video right now, that's 4 minutes plus the minute, so 5 minutes you're in the water. Of course you got to put the strap on. Oh yeah, you got it backwards. And that's it, folks. Expandacraft 12-foot outrigger for one side with 2 1-foot by 6-foot planks, and with installation, the whole 9 yards. And that's how long it takes to assemble. And if you want to see how long it takes to disassemble, I guess we're ready to do that. Yeah. All right, so at 4 minutes 5:58, we start to disassemble. All right, assuming the straps come off, that's a second or two. And this, of course, is going to go in the back of a pickup truck with a tonneau cover. And, of course, the kayak sticks out the back. And but the hulls will break down. And yeah, I would take the bows off. But yeah, before you, otherwise they kind of roll. The whole thing rolls. Yeah, it's a little.
Might need to get like a little mallet or something.
Yeah. And so here we are, taking the whole thing down. And while we're doing that, I'm going to go over and show you a little bit more about this installation. Right here, where you put the wing nut on, and those are some special rivets. Those are not just plain rivets. They open up in the back like a toggle bolt. And that comes with the canoe connector kit. Now some Hobies have a different configuration, and you're not able to use the flanges like this, but rather we include another flat bar, and that's available in another video, by the way. Alright, so he flings the wing nuts off. You do have to be careful not to drop stuff, so be careful where you take this off apart, because there are bolts and nuts and things that you have to keep up with. Not a whole lot, but you don't want to lose them. And again, that's going to stay in one piece. So the runner rails stay there, and the cross tubes come off so that he can just stick it in the back of the truck. Alright, we started it right about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 54 seconds. So it takes 2 minutes to take it apart. That's it. So 2 minutes and it's apart. And of course you got to toss it in the back of your truck. Expandacraft.com. Hey, do you like your new kit?
Yeah, I can't wait to take it out in the water.
Alright, super, man. I'm glad you're happy with it. Expandacraft.com.